Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, so it is not Monday. This is not Chit Chat Monday, but I wanted to talk about this week's releases because we are having our third birthday this week and I'm so excited for it. I started Shop Jessica Hearts on Etsy back in 2015, October 2015, and it's been a whirlwind couple years and I'm just really excited about it. So I'd asked you guys before if you guys would be interested in a bundle for my birthday thingy, for the anniversary, shop anniversary. I'm calling it a birthday because I think it's more fun for just for the, for those little Jessica hearts, it's her birthday. I asked you guys a while back what you guys thought about having a bundle, and a lot of you said versus a limited edition kit, and a lot of you said that you didn't really care too much about bundles, and I agree. I'm not really a big fan of anniversary bundles and stuff like that for myself. So yeah, so we're not going to do that, but we will have a limited edition kit, which is kind of like a photo kit, which, I love photo kits, and they hold a special place in my heart. And we will have that, and it has to have all my favorite things, all very pinks and muted and greens and stuff like that, so it's really, really pretty. And then we'll also have a freebie journaling card that is kind of birthday themed, which is really fun. And we'll have a notepad that's gonna be birthday, kind of not really birthday themed. I try to keep things not too birthday-y, even though I have had a lot of requests for birthday photo kits and birthday kits. I just didn't want to do something that's too birthday. I just want to do something that could be used year round if you guys want. You don't have to save it for a birthday. So it's nothing super birthday related. I think it could be just really pretty as a normal kit, but you can definitely probably jazz it up for your birthday. And so we'll have a matching notepad, which is so cute. It's so pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see it. And we will also have a little magnet that I had made. It's a little heart because, Jessica Hearts. And I'm so excited for it. It's a cute little magnet that says birthday babe on it. And I think it'd be really cute. It's a gift for someone's birthday or just for yourself. And it's also my birthday coming up as well. It's getting close. It's next Tuesday. Is it a week from today, I believe? Yeah, so a week from today, and that's my birthday. So me and Jessica Hearts share the same kind of birthday time, which is really fun. This week we'll also have all the Christmas kits restocked, and a lot of you guys have been asking about those, especially last weekend during the planner sale, which thank you guys so much for all of you who shopped during the planner sale. It was a great weekend for us, so I just want to say thank you again for that. And I feel like I'm saying a lot. I'm just trying to formulate thoughts this morning. I just got into the office. It's 8:25. I should be up more than I am today, but it's just really dry out and I got allergies, and so I'm just kind of a little all over the place. So Christmas kits. Okay, so I had a lot of requests last weekend to see if we would be restocking Christmas kits during the sale, and I decided not to. Pretty early on, I had decided on way before the sale started that I didn't want to do the Christmas kit restock during the sale weekend, just because they had been previously released in a big release, and I know a lot of people purchased then, and I would have just felt like it was not very fair if I were to then a week or two later to then have them all 20% off during a sale. I just don't feel like that would have been very I don't know, nice to the people that just bought them at full price or with a coupon, not 20% off though, you know what I mean, so I don't know. So I didn't restock them. I'm restocking them this weekend. You can use coupons on them. I just wanted to make it I don't know, I just felt like if I had bought it the first weekend it was released, I would have been kind of oh, I should have just waited since she was doing the restock during the sale anyways, she knew, I just would have felt a little bit dang it. So I didn't want anyone to feel like that. So I specifically did not restock any of the Christmas kits during the sale, but they will be restocked this week. And yeah, that'll be the last restock for them, I believe. Because we're getting kind of close then at that point. Maybe if people really want them to come back, if I get an overwhelming amount of requests for them to come back again later. But I'm hoping they'll just kind of linger around in the shop for a while, so people who want to pick them up can throughout the next month or so. So that, I believe, is everything for this week. I am really excited. Everything will be live on Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, back to normal. Last week was a little early because it was with the planner sale, so I was going off their time. And yeah, so I feel like that's kind of everything, I think. I'm looking around because I feel like I look around when I'm trying to think of things. So I'm like trying to think of like what else there is. Because I think that's everything. I don't want to forget anything though. I think that's everything. I am working on shipping the orders out with the December monthly kits. So if you order those when they were released that first weekend, I'm working on those today and tomorrow and however long it takes to get them done, because they are due to be shipped by Friday. So I will be getting them out by Friday. And yeah, so we're just working on that today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I do want to show you guys real quick because I got my new Erin Condren planner for 2019, which is so weird to say. Like, how is it already almost 2019? That is wild. So I got my new one so I can start working on like monthlies, because monthlies are coming up like for January. So I was like, oh my god, I don't know what it was. I just realized that like I didn't have a January monthly available to like start designing stuff and working on it. And I was like, how is this a thing? How do I not have this? So I ordered, because honestly I'm not really using Erin Condren as much anymore. I've been using my Day Designer a lot more, which I can show you guys if you guys want, but I'm still trying to work it out a little bit. Like, I haven't been able to use any stickers in it, and it's just kind of made me sad. Like, I want to use more stickers in there, but I just think I don't really have the type of stickers I would need. Like, I need like little functional ones, and so maybe that's something I need to make. I don't know, but it's pretty small though, so I would need some like small stickers, like mini icons maybe. I would probably use that, like mini icons, or like, that's honestly probably all I'd really use in there, because it is pretty small. But I don't keep it for like fun, I just keep it for like for work. So yes, so let's see, you got your little pouchy pouch. So the one I decided to go with was this one, which I think is one of the newer ones. I opted just for the platinum coil. I think that's what it's called, platinum, just the regular. I didn't want to spend extra money for like a fancy coil, since I'm not really using this very often anymore. I really just needed it for the monthly layouts and for the notes. Ooh, we have a little slicey dicey here on the October one. But you know what's funny? It's actually only from this side. See, it's like cut like partially off. But on this side, it's fine. Can you see? It's fine on this side. So, I don't know. That's interesting. But I didn't know they had contacts in here now. That's interesting. The contacts tab. Oh, but it's literally just one page though. This doesn't fit a lot of contacts. I mean, I don't know that many people, so I guess it's all right. But she has a lot of stickers in here now, huh? It's interesting. So yeah, I just got this one, and I got the neutral one. So it's just like the same, you know, same as usual. They didn't really change it up much last year when they did the revamp, or earlier this year. They didn't change it up much, did they? The revamp. Yeah, but so this is the one I got. I don't remember what it was called, but you definitely can see on the website. It has gold foiling in it, which would have been really nice with a gold coil. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but I also didn't want to spend the money, you know? Like I said, I don't want to spend extra, because $10 is quite a lot extra for a planner that's already pretty expensive. And like I said, I don't really use this planner every day, so I don't really need anything that fancy. So, yes, that is my new planner for working on the January monthlies, because I believe the January monthlies will be coming up fairly soon, the next few weeks, which is crazy. I'm not ready to start thinking about the new year yet. I still have to live out this one. But yeah, so that is everything, I think. I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. I want to do a giveaway today on Instagram for our like 3rd birthday type stuff. But all of the items that I designed are all coming in like today. So, because we love a last minute queen. Like, I've been last minute so much this past like couple weeks. I don't know what, I feel like I'm like constantly running to catch up with myself. I'm like, what am I doing? Where am I going? So, today they should all be coming in. So I'll be able to take like actual photos of them all. So I'm really excited for that. And, I think that's everything. Oh, and okay. Well, hello, the birthday kit that I'm going to be releasing. So all these items are limited edition. They won't be restocked. And the birthday kit is going to be full kit only, and it will have an ultimate sheet a la carte available. I won't have a mini kit, but I will have it discounted. It will be discounted as like a thank you to you guys. I'm still working out the like final discount price, but it's going to be quite a bit cheaper. And you can still use coupons on it to make it even cheaper. So I got you. So that will be that for the limited edition sticker kit. Full kit only, but it will be discounted. So just as like a thank you to you guys for, you know, supported me the last 3 years. It means a lot to me, and I would not be here doing what I'm doing without you. So I really do appreciate it a lot, and I'm just excited to kind of do something fun for you guys. That's a big trash truck. Always excitement. Oh, I ran out of battery. It's always exciting here at the office. So anyways, I feel like I'm in such a wacky mood today. I had a really hard workout this morning on the Tone It Up stuff, and I was just like, this is a day today, isn't it? So I guess I'm gonna let you guys go. And I had some other like videos planned I kind of want to do, but I think I'm just not going to include it in this. We're going to make this somewhat quick. I've been rambling, so it's not going to be quick. I was hoping it'd be like a quick edit, you know, but it's not looking like it's going to be because I'm just kind of all over the place today. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and a fabulous week, and I will see you guys on Friday with our birthday kit and birthday notepad and birthday magnet and birthday free journaling card, and I'm so excited for it. And thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!